Hi, welcome to Excel Master TZ channel, where you will learn different functions and formulas in Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to master the SUMIF function in Excel. We will cover the basic syntax of the function as well as advanced tips and tricks for using it effectively in various scenarios. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Excel user, this video will help you improve your data analysis skills and make the most of the function if function. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to use some if function in calculation. For example, I have data or value in column B. I want to sum up the data in column B which is greater than 100. Also, I will sum up the value in column B which is greater than 1000. Also, I will sum up the value in column B which is greater than 2000, and so on. Yes, to do so, let us start. Write equal sign, then SUMIF, then open bracket, go to the range. Our range is this one. In this range, I want to sum up the value which is greater than 100. So I click comma, then this one. After that, because when I drag, I don't want this range to move, so I will close by using the dollar sign. I close by using the dollar sign. After that, then click enter, drag, place your cursor to the right corner down, then drag to get the formula of the other cells. As you can see, the first one, I have calculated your sum of the value which is greater than 100. All this one, from this one, row number 3 up to row number 12, all these are greater than 100. But in this one, I have calculated and sum of the value which is greater than 1000. So from this one, all these except this one. But I can modify the formula. Before that, when you come to this cell, there is no data which is greater than 2000. That's why we get 0. There is no data which is greater than 2000. So as you can see, this one is 2000, also 2000. But I can modify my formula that sum of the value in column B which is greater and equal. When I say which is greater and equal, add equal sign, add equal sign, add equal sign. Yes, I have modified my formula now. So the value, I have sum up the value in column B which is greater and equal to 100. So all these data have summed up because all these data are greater and equal to 100. When you come to this one, I have 2000. Also, I have 2000 in this row, and the sum up is 4000, as you can see. So you can modify the formula according to your needs. Please subscribe in order to get the next video. Also, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome.